Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, EXP Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida, and we've just in the process of listing this property on the market. It's a family compound on 5 acres, and how is this for a shop? And I'll just do a quick tour of the shop. It's got basically it's every man's dream and every woman's dream, I'm sure. We're located pretty close in, not far from Collier Boulevard, and this has many potential uses. We've got an RV bay down there and 2 other bays here. So let's have a quick look inside. We're back nicely from the main house, and we're waterfront, Canal Front here. So you've got this space here, which, you know, this could be used for many things, from home-based business to car collector, toilet and everything that you need. Washer, dryer. And let's go in here. And this property has all been updated. So this is one bay. You've got your garage door there. That's the office. This is air conditioned. Bay 2, similar size, and it comes with a lift. Got a sink in the corner there. And then we've got this taller RV bay. This is our sign there that's going up in the next day. Text HT322 to 239-360 5527 for all of the property info. Properties like this are very hard to come by. We've just put one under contract, a family compound similar to this, and there's great demand at the moment. We have a lot of people wanting to move here. You see the height of that bay, it's huge. So let's show you upstairs, and it really has a lot of potential. So this basically opens right up to the attic space there. That's a water heater. Let's go up these stairs. And check this out. There's your view onto the canal where I was there just a few moments ago. And see all the room that you have up here. Basically, this is a blank canvas. So, you know, this has so many different potential uses, with permitting obviously, but there's so many different things that you can do here. And again, that's just a view. This is evening at the moment, so the sun is starting to set. I'll do another quick tour of the main house. Anyway, we're doing all the 3D tours and stuff, so if you text HT322 to 239-360 5527, and we'll send you all of the property information. It's a fabulous property. This is only the shop. Alrighty, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey Team, EXP Realty in Naples, Southwest Florida. I'm going to put some information down here as well, so check it out. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.